everybody. Your friendly neighborhood Christian. Hopefully the wind's not too bad. I just want to do a quick update. As you can see, I kind of wrecked my bike. I wrecked it. See if I can find out where I wrecked it. Right here. Right here. Okay. Well, I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it was right there. Anyway, the guy was in this lane. The guy came from that lane. He swerved over and slammed on his brakes. And as you can see, sorry, I can't really breathe. It all happened yesterday. Anyway, slammed on my brakes. And, when he slammed on his brakes, I had to slam on mine. God, my chest is killing me. Anyway, I hit my brakes so hard, I went up onto my tank and up over my handlebars. Wish I was wearing, I had my camera, but I didn't have it on. I wish I did. Could have paid for the damage. Scuffed off my exhaust a little bit, bummed my leg, hurt my arms, crushed my chest. Anyway, it's been a very productive Tuesday. I just got, it's about 8:30 in the morning. I just went to my job to talk to my boss. They gave me the day off. I am so glad I got a boss that is extremely understanding. And I hate rush hour traffic again. But I'm lucky to be alive right now. I really am. Anyway. Plus I gotta work Saturday. We got the Veterans Ride going on. But I'm posting a date on this video for a meetup. I don't know how many people are actually watching my videos. I upload everything from my tablet, so I don't really honestly care right now. I'm in so much freaking pain. And don't even ask, you must not be in that much pain because, you're still riding your bike. But I mean, this is all I have for transportation. This is all I have. Anyway. Enjoy the ride for a little bit. And I hate all this construction here on the cabin. Oh my god. Like, everything's so freaking congested. Oh God. Everybody's telling me I should go to the doctor, but oh my God. Fat. Anyway. So this is the end. Oh God. Hopefully I'm better in the next couple of days. Anyway, I'm gonna hurry up and get home.